Today on part 56 of aptitude test questions with their solutions, I will solve question number 170 on simplification concerning with a word problem. As usual, I'm presenting you aptitude test questions on this channel on a weekly basis, and today I'm just providing you one question with its solution. So if you are a student, and again if you are a graduate who is searching for a job, I invite you to join this channel, because on this channel you'll get basic knowledge on how to solve aptitude test questions, and these questions will appear in any type of examination, either vacancy examination or educational examinations. So if you know how to solve aptitude test questions, you'll be a better competitor. Now let's go to the question. Question number 170. When an amount was distributed among 14 boys, each of them gets $80 more than the amount received by each boy when the same amount is distributed equally among 18 boys. What was the amount? A. 2,000, B. 2,590, C. 5,040, D. 6,070. Now what it says that there is a certain amount of money and it is distributed among 14 boys, and each boy gets $80 more than when the amount received by each boy when the same amount is distributed equally among 18 boys. So what is required here is to find the amount of dollar. A. 2,000, B. 2,590, C. 5,040, D. 6,070. First, you have to convert this word problem into mathematical equations to get the amount or the amount of dollar that is distributed. So let's say the amount be X. It is unknown, and let's say it be X. So the amount is X, and you can have this equation: X over 14, which is equal to X over 18 plus 80. It means the amount, when the amount is distributed among 14 boys, each of them gets $80 more than the amount received by each boy when the same amount is distributed equally among 18 boys. And you can have this mathematical equation, which is equivalent to the word problem. Now collect like terms, or shift X over 18 to the left, and you get X over 14 which minus X over 18, which is equal to 80, and take 126 as a common divisor for both 14 and 18, and you get 2X over 126, which is equal to 80. Now simplify the left side equation to X over 126. You get X over 63, which is equal to 80. Now crisscross it. It becomes X is equal to 63 times by 80. And lastly, you get X is equal to 5,040. So your answer for this question is 5,040, choice C. So the amount is 5,040. Now check it if you want. That means divide 5,040 for 14. Divide it. You get 5,040 for 14. You get 360. 360. Again, divide it by 18, you get 280. So when you divide 5040 for 14 boys, each get 360, and divide 5040 for 18, you get 260. Each boy gets 280. The difference between the two is that 80. So each boy gets $80 more than when we divide it by 80. So 280 plus 80 is equal to 360. So your answer is correct. እሺ ምናልባት በየሳምንቱ እንደዚህ አይነት የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን እያቀረብኩላችሁ እገኛለሁ። እንደሚታወቀው አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች በብዛት በስራ ውድድር ፈተና ላይ እና በትምህርት ፈተና በተለይ በ12ኛ ማትሪክ፣ በዩኒቨርሲቲ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም፣ በዩኒቨርሲቲ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም የሚመጡ ናቸው። እኔም በየሳምንቱ ቢክ አካዳሚ በሚለው ቻናል እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች በተከታታይ በየሳምንቱ እያቀረብኩ እገኛለሁ። እስካሁን ድረስ 170 ያክል ጥያቄዎችን ለመስራት ሞክሬያለሁ። ጥያቄዎቹ በየቻፕተሩ በተከታታይነት የሚቀርቡ ናቸው። ማንኛውም ተማሪም ሆነ ስራ ፈላጊ እንደዚሁም በስራ ላይ ያለ ስራ ማሻሻል የሚፈልግ ሰው እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች አሰራራቸውን ቢያውቃቸው ተጠቃሚ ይሆናል በሚል እምነት ነው። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ ያደረጋችሁ ራሳችሁን አፕዴት አድርጉ፣ ተማሩ። በየትኛውም አጋጣሚ ላይ በስራ ውድድር ላይ ወይም በፈተና ላይ ብቁ ተወዳዳሪ መሆን ትችላላችሁ። አፕቲቲዩድን ያወቀ ሰው የተሻለ ተጠቃሚ ነው ምንም ጊዜ ቢሆን። ምክንያቱም በየትኛውም አጋጣሚ ለፈተና የሚመጡ ጥያቄዎች በብዛት አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች ስለሆኑ ማለት ነው። ተማሪዎች ከሆናችሁ፣ ስራ ፈላጊዎች ከሆናችሁ፣ ስራም ላይ ሆናችሁ ስራ ማሻሻል የምትፈልጉ ሰዎች ካላችሁ ይህን ቻናል ቤተሰብ በመሆን መማር ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። አመሰግናለሁ።